The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2. Let's talk about the highlights here first that Rolls-Royce has laid out. They are saying that this is the most technologically advanced and driver-focused V12 Rolls-Royce yet. Well, here's the thing. Anytime a new Rolls-Royce comes out, of course it's going to be the most technologically advanced. But that aside, we do have here new exterior styling, which I'm a big fan of. And they are saying that this vehicle, it is built with driving at its heart. That's interesting because I always thought Bentley was the brand that gives you that driver-centric luxury car feel. But no, it makes sense. The Ghost, the previous Wraith, the new Spectre, all these products are going to be driven by the owners themselves. But they just keep bringing up that twin-turbo V12 engine, which really, it remains unchanged. It still produces 563 horsepower, but I'm glad this brand still continues to offer that engine. Anyway, we have planar suspension, and we also have that technology where the vehicle will continue to read the road ahead and it will adjust its suspension accordingly. And we also have satellite aided transmission to select the optimal gear depending on that GPS data that the vehicle has for the road that you are currently driving on. We also have a advanced digital interface and a private members app. They also improved the audio system, the internet connectivity, and the video streaming functions as well. And Rolls-Royce claims that with this new Series 2 Ghost, they are now offering an even greater canvas for creativity. And that's cool. That's what these types of automobiles are all about. And there's also a black badge version of this new Ghost, and Rolls-Royce claims that this is the most agile and driver-focused / technical black badge Rolls-Royce ever. Still got the 6.75 liter twin-turbo V12, as well as all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering chassis with the black badge planar suspension system. There's also the bespoke coachwork and the 22-inch wheels that are reserved for this black badge Series 2 Ghost. And like with the regular Ghost, we have here the new digital Spirit interface as well as the private members app as well. But the Series 1 Ghost that was launched in 2021, and I have to say I really like what they've done with the headlights and taillights of this Series 2 Ghost. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section, but I think this has to be my most favorite and probably the most elegant Ghost to come out. Truly has a royal look, very similar to the Phantom, and they are still offering the extended wheelbase model as well. And we also have two new 22-inch wheel designs, and there are also some new exterior colors, but I mean, who really cares? You can get whatever color you want with these vehicles if you're willing to pay for it. But inside is where they're giving us more customizable options, and we have the new Spirit infotainment system. This is the latest iteration, and it is a pretty elegant infotainment screen. And there's that passenger side of the dashboard which you can customize to your liking. We also have a new clock cabinet in the dashboard with the analog clock and the illuminated stainless steel Spirit of Ecstasy ornament. I'm not a big fan of that tacky monogramming that they have on the seats, but I get it. That's just something that they're trying to illustrate to us as a customizable option. Regardless though, the rear seat passengers, they can now link up to 2 devices for the rear screens. And those rear screens also have a new user interface. And you have all of the seating functions that one would expect for a vehicle like this, like the heated and ventilated seats, massaging seats, etc. I did mention that they have improved the Wi-Fi hotspot function, and the audio system is also improved. So the 18-speaker sound system now has a 1400 watt amplifier. Inside we also have new open pore wood trim called Gray Stained Ash, and it provides you with like the sparkling look, and there's a new rayon fabric made from bamboo called Duality Twill, and this is going to be offered in 3 colors: lilac, chocolate, and black, or maybe it's pronounced lilac, not sure, but you get the idea. But for me, what I really appreciate regarding these sedans is that use of the twin-turbo V12. They keep mentioning it in their press release. Still made it to the 8-speed auto, and we have all-wheel drive as standard. producing 563 horsepower. They have not released the official pricing yet, but you know it's going to be over 350 grand easily. So that's everything you need to know regarding the 2025 Series 2 Ghost. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Are you a fan of the new updated Ghost? But thanks again for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.